If you want to actually master Zen, you have to understand the workspace system, or as most of the 2026 community calls them, just spaces. Let's look at how to build and tear them down effectively. To create a new space, look at the bottom of your sidebar. You'll see the icon of your active workspace, or it might be just empty for you if you're a new user. Hover over the small plus sign, click it, then click on Create Space. Name your space, something like deep work or research, whatever you need it to be. You can now scroll through the entire native library of SVG icons and emojis. Pick an icon that stands out so you can identify the space without reading the label. Perfect. Then click on Edit Theme and choose a color you like. Now click on Create Space at the bottom and you are ready with the creation. If you have more than one space, you can move between these spaces if you click on any of them, or without touching your mouse if you use the default 2026 shortcuts. Control plus Alt plus left or right arrow. But if you click on the three dots in the top left corner, then click on Setting, then Keyboard Shortcuts, you can change these shortcuts to anything else. Now let's talk about deleting a space. Let's say you have a project, you finished it, and you don't need that anymore. Click on the project to make sure that's the one you don't need. Right-click the space icon in your switcher. At the bottom of the list, you'll see Delete Workspace. When you click this, Zen doesn't just nuke your work, it gives you a choice. A prompt will ask if you really want to delete the space. Click OK if you are really sure about it. And that's it. Now you know how to create and delete spaces quickly in Zen Browser. Give us a like and subscribe if this video helped you.